What's up everyone, it is Thais here. So today I will be showing you how to co-wash 4C natural hair and also what are the benefits of using a co-wash on your hair. So you want to start with already detangle hair in about at least 10 sections. If you have 4C hair, it makes it easier for you to get through your co-wash routine, and it just ensures that every single section gets the co-wash. So you want to saturate your hair with water first. If you have low porosity hair, be sure to use warm water so that you can open up those cuticles so that your hair can be cleaned better. So now that your hair is saturated with water, you want to loose out one section at a time and then take your co-wash of choice. I am using the Kennedy's Essential Co-Wash, but you can use whatever co-wash you have available. And you just take that co-wash and add it to the length of your hair and make sure that you massage it into your scalp as well. And while you are adding your co-wash, do not scrunch the hair up, but instead finger detangle the hair to keep the hair in a detangled state. So this prevents the hair from matting and it saves you a lot of time on wash day. And after you have thoroughly applied that product to that section, you just twist it out of the way so that you can work on each section at a time, repeating those same steps. So a co-wash is a cleansing conditioner. It's much more milder than a regular shampoo, but it's much more cleansing and powerful than a regular conditioner. So it's right in the middle, but a co-wash is more on the conditioner side. As you can see, it doesn't produce any suds like a shampoo. So it is not like a 2-in-1 shampoo like that. So it is more of a conditioner. So it conditions your hair and cleans it at the same time. So this cuts out a lot of processes on your wash day, but you do not want to just solely co-wash your hair. Co-washes are more suitable for if you are touching up your hair midweek and may feel dry, or you can alternate with co-washing and shampoo each week. So this week you can use a shampoo and then next week you can use a co-wash like that. But be careful of the type of ingredients you use on your hair in between co-washing. So it won't be ideal to co-wash your hair if you use products that contains a lot of buildable ingredients such as petroleum, silicone, mineral oil, and many other ingredients that are really hard to wash away. Because if you are not washing away those buildable ingredients, then you will find that a co-wash won't necessarily work for your hair because your hair won't be getting the proper moisture and nourishment that it needs from your other products. So beware of that. Co-washes are also not really suitable for low porosity hair because low porosity hair is prone to build up, and it won't be as suitable to finer hair textures since fine textures are also prone to build up. Basically, a co-wash is better to use if you just need a gentle cleanse. If your hair isn't really that dirty, you just want to wash away sweat and you didn't use like any styling product, then you can go ahead and co-wash. So co-washes do contain mild surfactants in comparison to shampoos. So the co-wash I use, it contains 2 surfactants, and the surfactants are usually towards the bottom of the list versus being more towards the top of the list as a shampoo. So each section is saturated with that co-wash, and now it is time to rinse it out completely clean. So be careful of leaving co-wash in your hair because it does contain surfactants, which are cleaning agents. So unlike a regular conditioner, you want to make sure that every last bit of that co-wash is rinsed properly out of your hair. So also you don't want to leave this on too long because this is a cleansing product. So you just apply it to your hair and you immediately rinse this product out to prevent drying. So after rinsing your hair, you can choose to go straight to your leave-in conditioner, or you can follow up with a rinse out conditioner, or you can even deep condition. The choice is yours. But since the co-wash is so mild, you don't really have to follow up with conditioner. You can just go straight to the leave-in conditioner safely without drying out your hair. And this is how my hair looks, nice and moisturized, and it is nice and clean. My scalp is nice and clean. So that is it on showing you a demo on how to use a co-wash on your 4C natural hair or your type 4 natural hair. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful in developing your co-wash routine. Definitely leave this video a rating, subscribe for weekly videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.